Good morning, dear students. Hope you have understood the definition of transitive verb and intransitive verb and how to identify direct object and indirect object. So let us do this exercise. Exercise 1, page number 43. Underline the verbs in the following sentences and write in each case whether the verb is transitive or intransitive. Where the verb is transitive, name the object. So, you know very well, first of all, we have to underline the verb. Number 1, the clock stopped this morning. Underline the verb stopped and then ask question, what or to whom or for whom. When you are asking question, what, the answer is direct object, and if we get the answer of to whom or for whom, the object is indirect object. So, the clock stopped. What? There is no answer. That's why it is intransitive. This morning is not an object. This morning is adverb phrase. It answers the question when. So, it is intransitive. Number 2, the policeman blew his whistle. Underline the verb blew, then ask question, the policeman blew what? The answer is his whistle. So here the object is his whistle. It is direct object and the verb blew is transitive. Now number 3 is missing. Number 4, the clock ticks all day long. Underline the verb ticks and ask question, the clock ticks what? No answer. So it is intransitive. Number 5, I looked down from my window. Underline the verb looked and ask question, I looked what? There is no answer. So it is intransitive. You can see this verb is followed by preposition. I told you intransitive verbs mostly followed by adverb or preposition. Number 6, put away your books. Underline the verb put and ask question, put what? The answer is your books. So here object is your book. It is direct object and the verb put is transitive. Next, number 7, your book lies on the table. Your book lies what? No answer. On the table is the answer of where, and we don't want the answer of where. It is adverb phrase. That's why the verb lies is intransitive. Number 8, time changes all things. Underline the verb changes. Ask question, time changes what? The answer is all things. All thing is direct object and the verb is transitive. Next, we eat 3 times a day. We eat what? No answer. So the verb eat is intransitive. Next, the little bird hopped about and sang. The little bird hopped about and sang what? No answer. So these verbs hopped and sang are intransitive. My new watch does not keep good time. Underline the verb does not keep and ask question, my new watch does not keep what? Good time. So here good time is object and the verb which needs an object is called transitive verb. The beggar sat down by the side of the road. Underline the verb sat and ask question, the beggar sat down what? No answer. So the verb is intransitive. Number 13, I could not spare the time. Underline the verb could not spare and ask question, I could not spare what? The answer is the time. So here the time is object and the verb is transitive. The boy easily lifted the heavy weight. Underline the verb lifted. The boy easily lifted what? The heavy weight. The heavy weight is object and the verb lifted is transitive. Balu wrote a letter to his uncle. Balu wrote what? A letter. A letter is object, direct object, and I told you direct objects are always non-living, and the verb wrote is transitive. Number 16. I know a funny little man. I know what? No answer. So when you are not getting answer of what, ask question to whom. I know whom. The answer is a funny little man. So a funny little man is object. It is indirect object because indirect objects are always living. So the verb is transitive. Light rain fell last night. Underline the verb fell. Light rain fell. What? No answer. So it is intransitive. And last night is adverb. Next, I shall bring my camera with me. Underline the verb shall bring and ask question. I shall bring what? The answer is my camera. It is direct object. That's why this verb is transitive. So now you have understood very well that when you are asking question what, you will get direct object, and when you are asking question to whom or for whom, the object will be indirect, and when you are not getting any object, the verb is intransitive. Thank you.